to put Do Not Disturb mode on WhatsApp. To enable Do Not Disturb mode on WhatsApp for your iPhone, follow this simple step. First of all you have to do is drop down the control panel from the top right corner of your screen. Then tap on the focus. Then tap on Do Not Disturb and make sure to turn on the Do Not Disturb. Now once done so, all you have to do is go back to the home screen and tap on the Settings app option available there. Now once inside the settings, all you have to do is scroll down and tap on the notification option available there. Now once you tap on the notification, there scroll down and look for the WhatsApp and simply tap on it. Once you tap on the WhatsApp option available in notification, you can see allow notification option available there. Simply toggle that switch off. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.